openSUSE is one of the oldest distributions around and predates Ubuntu. There are two versions available: Tumbleweed, which is rolling release, and this version, which is called Leap and is released in regular cycles. Installation is fairly straightforward, although it isn't via a live setup as it is with other distributions.
There is always something with openSUSE that doesn't appear right. In this case, you will see the wallpaper looks a little off. Hardware support is okay but not spectacular. 15.5 appears to behave better than 15.4 as Bluetooth support is improved, although printing to HP network printers is still a small challenge.
There is a fairly standard array of software pre-installed despite the 4.2 GB download. In the KDE version there are a few games, Firefox web browser, LibreOffice, a photo manager, and a media player.
The software installation process has improved between 15.4 and 15.5, with Discover now able to install all software. There are less random pop-unders and Flatpaks are enabled by default.
Performance isn't spectacular, especially for KDE.
Ratings for a new user: 3 out of 5 for installation, 3 out of 5 for performance, 3 out of 5 for hardware, 4 out of 5 for default packages, 4 out of 5 for package installation, 3 out of 5 for ease of use, overall 20 out of 30.